Thomas Dairy Farm and Market is in Cecilia, Kentucky, near Elizabethtown. They have a lot to offer for family fun this fall. It is packed with activities. Take a look at everything we did on our visit. Stay there for the sunset. It's just beautiful. Or end the night in the haunted woods, or maybe save the farm from a zombie attack like we did. You are part of the family when you visit Thomas Dairy Farm and Market. Take a look at their website to see everything they have to offer and make family fun memories this fall. As always, visit LouisvilleFamilyFun.net for more ideas.